Hello, it's me, Crazy Rebecca, Dances with Pitbulls. My other sign that I use for the Crazy Quilt videos is still at work. Promise to bring it home someday. Today we are going to practice doing the Cretan stitch. Some people have said, oh, I just can't get it, or I can't get it even. Well, it takes practice. Practice, practice, practice. So here's a tip. I don't know if this will show. Can you see through this fabric? Okay, where I sewed it, right there, and I folded over. Now see it? There's a line. I kind of use that line as one of my guides. Okay, when I come up from here, and I can see the top of that line, it's running right there. So that's how I know where to put my needle in. Now you're on your own on the bottom, but and remember, always keep your thread to the right. And my second tip is, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if it's not perfect. Perfection is not your friend. Perfection is your enemy. Okay, so let's do it up here like this. See that line? And what if I don't have that line? I wing it, people. Because once you do 1,000 of these blocks, you're going to know how to do it. Now, how many quilts have I done? You've seen my quilts. So it's just practice. And you have to let go of your perfectionism. You have to work on that OCD. I'm telling you. Okay, so another threaded, needle threaded. Threaded, listen to me. Don't listen to me. Be wise, my son, and don't listen. Okay, so let's go here. Now I do not have a line showing with either of these. But just pick a spot. When you have a whole bed quilt of these, you're going to see that it doesn't matter. And I'm going to show some pictures of where I laid my daughter's quilt out. You look at those and you tell me if it matters that I don't have them all absolutely perfect, because it doesn't. yes, when I get this done, I will come up and I will finish that. But I just wanted you to see. We're practicing. We're just practicing. We're working on not being perfect. We're working on being good enough, right? Trust me on this. I'm a professional. They don't have to be perfect. Okay, so take a look at my daughter's quilt blocks. And if you have any questions, please let me know.